Mary, do you know the Wi-Fi password here?
Yes, it is Pizza 2024. All capital letters for pizza.
Thank you. I need to send the menu to the supplier.
Oh, wait, that password is old. We changed it last week.
Really? What is the new one?
The manager has it. Let me call him.
Please, the supplier is waiting.
Okay. The new password is RestoPro88.
Perfect. I am connected now. Thank you, Mary.
No problem, but write it down. Many people ask me every day.
Ha! Maybe we need a sign on the wall.
That is a great idea. I will talk to the manager today.
You are the best. The email is sending now.
Good. Now, no more Wi-Fi problems.